is written by another favorite composer of ours, Kevin Kamines, who is here tonight with us, so that's really good. And Kevin was with us at our institute several years ago, where I was, getting on my soapbox and preaching about all these music pedagogy things. And we've had great, deep conversations, philosophical disagreements, about music pedagogy and things. And so he wrote this piece and sort of snarkily dedicated it to me in Choral Chameleon. And it takes this whole idea of being in a rehearsal and what people actually are thinking. If you've ever sat in the audience at Alice Tully Hall or David Geffen Hall or Carnegie Hall, and you thought, what are those people thinking about when they're up there? They must be very concentrated on what they're doing. Sometimes, depends. I mean, if you're performing Steve Reich, then it's, But some of the time, they might be thinking something more like this.
I was talking to you. They stopped singing. Now we need to start all over again.
Established a harmonic center.
Whether you want to ascribe it, it's really a matter of personal taste. I wish they would agree on numbers versus softness. Nobody asked you. It's not your job to correct them. I never step on the conductor.
Spineless! That wasn't very nice to say. What's spineless? The conductor. He looks so deflated.
What now? Yes. All right.
We're sorry. Sorry.
soon, okay?